Hello everyone. This is a quick short video I'm preparing for all the faculty and residents of UCMS and GTB Hospital. This short video is to tell all and demonstrate how to schedule your classes, meetings in Microsoft Teams and how to get the attendance report during the class. So as you are seeing the screen, first of all, we go to the browser. If you have installed the app in your desktop or laptop, you can use that. Otherwise, you can directly go from the browser also. So first step is that you click www.office.com, and as you see, I have directly logged in the page office.com. A sign in ID and password it may ask from you if you have not logged in earlier. On the upper right side, if you see where my cursor is, you see that it is mentioned KM Khan Amir Maroof actually. So you see that this is my account's name. If I have to log out, I can click here and I can sign out. But I'll not do that. I don't have to log out. I have to show you how to schedule a class. So this is Microsoft Office page, and on the left side you see all the apps are there available for you all. And if you go down, you find that Teams is there, Microsoft Teams. So this Teams, we'll click on this and then a new tab opens up. And on this new tab, if you see, it has directly landed on the calendar page. But on the left side, if you see, there's a left column where the first point is activity, second is chat, third is Teams, fourth is assignments, and then you have calendar. So in order to schedule your class or any meeting, you should go to the calendar. In the calendar, you see the whole screen here, all the days are here. If you on the left side, the first day is Sunday, on the right side, the last day is Saturday. Sometimes what happens that you don't see Saturday and Sunday, you just see Monday and till Friday. And so if you click, if you see here on the upper right side, there is a drop down menu of week. When you click on it, there are three views available: day, work week, and week. If by default it is work week, then you see that only from Monday to Friday it is visible. Sunday and Saturday is not visible. Even if you want to see the next week after Friday, what is there? So you click on this, go to next week, and you see again Monday has come. So Saturday, Sunday has gone and Monday has come. So it may happen with some of you that you might not see Saturday and you want to schedule your class on Saturday. You might be worried, where is that gone? No need to worry. On the top right side, go here and you will see work week. Click here. There's a drop down menu. Select week, and then you will see all the days from Sunday to Saturday. So this was the first thing. Second is, now you want to schedule a meeting. There are two ways to schedule a meeting. One is on the top right side, you see new meeting option is there. You can click on this and then you can schedule your meeting. Another way is you can directly click on any day and time, and from there you can schedule a meeting. So today is 10th, it is Sunday. Suppose I want to schedule a class for Sunday 1 p.m. Sorry, this is 3 p.m. So I see here Sunday 3 p.m. So I can click here and automatically the meeting scheduler is here, and I can write the name of the class and other things here. I'm closing it down right now. I'll show you another method that if you go to on the top right side, you see new meeting, you can click on new meeting, and from here also you can schedule. The same scheduler opens up whether you click there or whether you click here. So let us schedule a class now for today 3 p.m. So this is a trial class Sunday. Then the next row you see is empty and it mentions add required attendees, and it also mentions that it is optional. It may be optional, but for us it is compulsory, because if you want to generate a link, we need to put at least one ID here, email ID here. So I put an email ID, my email ID, khanamirmaroof@yahoo.com, and I see invite this. So I select this, and this is here. This is an important point. If we don't put any ID here, then the link is not generated, one. And secondly, the ID that you have put here, you will get the link in your email also. So I would suggest at present you enter your own email ID, and then you can, whenever you access your email, you can get the link from there also. So this is one thing. So we had given the name of the class, we have put in our email ID so that we get the link there. Then the next row is about the date, time. So if you see date is okay, the calendar opens up and today is January 10th, fine, Sunday. Timing, I want to keep it at 3 p.m. So I go to 3 p.m. The class will be up to January 10 only. It will not go to another date, so it's okay. Then I go to this, and another time, end time is 4 p.m. So I write 4 p.m. Class does not repeat, it's all right. You can have repetitions also if you want, daily, at the same time, weekly, monthly, yearly. All these options you can explore later. Add channel is not recommended right now, but you can explore later. Now you see at the bottom there's a big box here. It's all blank, right? There is no link here, but after some time you will see that the link is available here that you want. What you have to do is, just on the top right side there is a button, send button is there. You just click on send, right? Now what you see, on 10th Sunday at 3 to 4 p.m, there is a purple, light purple color box here. So this is our scheduled class. So let us see how to get the link. One is, I said you will get the link in your email ID, but you can get the link from here also. So I click here, and now I see these two options, join and edit. I will not click join now. Join I will click when I have to start my class, but right now I want to just get the link. So let me click on edit. Now when I click edit, you see the big box that was there at the bottom, the same box is here, but now there is a link. Click here to join the meeting. So what I do, I take the cursor here and I just press the right click. When I press the right click, what you see is that there's a whole bunch of options here. So I just click on copy link address. When I copy link address, the link is copied. Now this link is copied, it can be pasted anywhere. Suppose I want to paste it in my Word document and save it in my computer, and later on I want to email to myself, whatever. So I can, so this is the Word document. I just write link for my class today at 3 p.m. and I control V, and here the list link is pasted. So the link that I had copied from here, as you have seen, I have pasted in the Word document. I can save this Word document. I can later email it to myself or send it on WhatsApp, whatever we want to do. However we want to send, we can send it. So this is how we generate this. Another issue was, you must have noticed, that there was some complaint that during the class the students were sharing their own screen and all that stuff. So even muting others. So the presenter rights, it was that they were having presenter rights. So if on the top you see there's a meeting options button. This meeting options, if you see, I clicked on it just now. So you get some options here. In this, main option is who can present. And here right now it is only me. Earlier when we started with Microsoft Teams in our college, it was the option was everyone. That is why that problem was happening. So rather than every teacher going when scheduling a class, so going here and then clicking here and then clicking only me, we talked to Microsoft Teams people and we said that by default at the institutional level it should be only me, and if some teacher wants to give rights to others in the institute, then they can click on specific people and then go ahead. But right now it is only me, so let us not disturb that. And other options, if you want to override, you can override, like allow attendees to unmute, it is yes. If you want to say no, you can say no also. So these are the features of meeting options. So let us go back to Microsoft Teams. This, so here we are. So we went to that option from meeting options, as you have seen, right? So we have discussed, we have demonstrated about the how to generate link and how to copy paste the link here right till now, and you can send that to the students. I'm just closing it down. Now when I want to start the class at that time, suppose this is the time I want to start this class, I have want to start this class that I have scheduled. So what I do, so first I have to send the link. I have not sent the link to anybody, so let me send the link. So link for my class, so I am sending the link. I'll send the link to my daughter by WhatsApp. So I will ask her, I will request her to join. So Alina, can you join the class? Okay. So let, so I will go to my class and this is join. So I'm starting with my class. So this is how it will look like. The name of the class will be on the top. And let me see. So here, this is the video option. So it is off. The audio option. I have not yet started with the class because I have not clicked on join now till now. So this is the screen that I see. When I will click here join now, at that time I will be entering the classroom. So I am checking my, before entering my classroom, I am checking my video. Video is off, audio is on. So I go to join now, connecting, and this is, I have entered my classroom, and what I see is a pop-up that Alina Amir Khan is waiting in the lobby. So what I do, I admit. Now this issue is that because my daughter has logged in through a guest account, she doesn't have UCMS institutional account. So anybody who joins through a guest account, anybody who does not have a UCMS institutional account, they will have to be admitted. But once all the students now are having IDs, very few are not have not logged in yet, but almost 80%, 70-80% have logged in. The used are using the college ID, so they need not be admitted. They will directly join the class. But for those who are joining by guest account, they have to be admitted. So there is an option of admit all also. If many students are waiting in the lobby, you click on admit all and all the students who are waiting will be joined automatically. You need not necessarily click on joining one by one. Now it's up to you how much you want, how much time you want to allow the students to go on entering the class. So here it is. Now if you want to see the participants, what you will see is, now you can share the screen. You can share the screen from here. If you see open share tray, when you click on open share tray, you have certain options here. What are the options? It takes some time to for the options to be visible. So first is screen share. If any PowerPoint is there open on your laptop, it will show here. So you can open your PowerPoint. You can use a whiteboard, Microsoft whiteboard also. So try all these options, and whatever you will click on, it will be shared with the participants or with the students. Right now I'm not clicking on any of this right now, but I'm just telling you that this is how if you click on it, then you can share your screen to the participants. And if you want to mute yourself in between, you click here and you will be muted. And this is closing the shared tray. So if you click here, the shared tray will close. If you click here, the shared tray will open, and then you can click on one thing and then you can see that you want to share this, and then you share and then it will be shared. Right now I'm not doing that, but you can share that. So let us see the message option is here, bottom right side. You see there's, so here you can write the messages. So I am writing a message, welcome to the class. So this is how, here you can share also in the message other things, the smileys, emoticons and other things. So that all, those all things you will go on exploring as you move ahead. Then the attendance part, you click on the show participants, and when you click on show participants on the right side, so here only one participant is there, otherwise you will get a whole list of participants here in the class. On the top right, if you see, there is a three dots are there, people and three dots. You click here and you find three options: don't allow attendees to unmute, manage permissions, and download attendance list. I will be focusing on download attendance list right now. So click on download attendance list. So at the end of the class, you can click on the download attendance list, and on the desktop, or where you can change it, documents, downloads, desktop, wherever you want to share, and you can save it. You can change the name of the file. I write attendance sheet sample class on the desktop. So it gets saved as a CSV file, comma separated values file. It opens in Excel sheet. So I'll just keep it like that. You can see it will open in Excel. So on desktop, I click on save. So on the left side, bottom side, you see that there's an attendance sheet saved. So we'll see how the attendance sheet so looks like. So when you click, you will say your name is there and the student name is there, Alina Amir Khan, and joined before this time. So it will be there on the Excel sheet. So if the student has entered and then left the class in between many times, then one student's name might be there many times. So later on we'll have to see and mark the attendance in our template or attendance register, whatever you have in your department, and you can just make a record from here, keep a record from here. So this is one thing, that your attendance report you generate it at the end of the class. Once when you have told that you will not admit any other student in the class, after that you will not give attendance, and after that you download it. So automatically after that, if anybody, if any student, even that student joins after that, they will not get recorded because this is the Excel sheet you have already kept. If you generate this attendance report at the end, like if the class is from 3 to 4 and you generate it at 3:55, then all the students who joined before 3:55, their names will be there in the Excel sheet, and the time will also be mentioned at what time the students have joined. So you can filter out if you want to put a cutoff that those who have entered after 3:30 p.m. I will not give the attendance, or you can download the Excel sheet at 3:30 itself, so that by default it will be having the names of only those students who have joined till 3:30. So anyways, that is a call for the individual teacher to make. And then if you look at the participants, I have only one participant here. So on the right side there are three dots. So there are some options here: make presenter, pin, and remove from meeting. Pin is like you fix that presenter will be here on top only. And remove from meeting, then if you remove from, if you want, if the some student is creating problems or some other reason is there, some unwanted or unknown people are there, we don't know who are they, and so we don't want uh, some people outside the institution to join, and if there are some doubts, we can remove them. Another thing is make a presenter. You can make a presenter, so you can make the other person presenter, so that person will have the rights to share their screen. And also if you want to do seminars, group discussions, panel discussions, or other things, you can use this make a presenter you can make any student a presenter as you like. So that's all. And when you have to end the class, at that time you just have to click on, so if you click here, you see, so this has been done away with. So this, the organizer has, from the organizer side, the class is gone. So this is how the MS Teams, you can schedule your class, share the link, and then present your class, and then conduct the class, and then get attendance, and then end the meeting. So these were some of the options. So thank you very much. I hope that this is useful to you all. If you have any queries, you can put it on WhatsApp group of our college, or individually you can share it with us. So I am stopping the, so that's all. Thank you and bye.